So in my last video, I talked about marriage and Article 16 and the reason why, and within the Christian codes and like stuff like the black laws of Virginia, the reason why you have to have a certificate and a license to get married is because they wanted to prevent Moors from marrying Europeans. Translation: they wanted to prevent slaves, blacks, from marrying whites. So in order to get married, they made it illegal, not unlawful. Because according to the Declaration of Human Rights, it is your lawful right to found a family and a spouse and get married. Your lawful human right to get married and found a family. And I explained before, if you have to have a license, if you have to have a certificate, that means they have turned it civil, but they made it into a criminal offense. So when you go to these tribunals, you're not going to court to do with something that you did that was unlawful. You are literally being sued for breach of contract. What? What do you mean by breach of contract? When you sign that paperwork and you do not put on there all rights reserved, guess what you just did? You just signed what's called a unilateral contract. Go and look up contracts and read what a contract is. Sorry, I stepped out of the camera. If you don't know what contracts are, this sounds foreign to you. This sounds like, I don't know, what do they call it? What's the term they call it? Conspiracies and all that kind of stuff. You get a parking ticket, you get a traffic ticket, you get a speeding ticket, you get a ticket for not having a license plate on your car. They are literally suing you for breach of contract. If you drive a car, driving is commercial. In order for a vehicle to be considered commercial, look in the rules of the road book. It has to weigh 8,000 pounds or more. Passenger vehicles, things that you use to transport yourself and your family, weigh anywhere from 2,000 to 4,000 pounds. So let's use the common sense of a 7-year-old. If you explain that to your 7-year-old and you ask them, and you gave them all of the details, and you ask them, which one, is this lawful or is this legal, and is this right or wrong, and is this a violation of the Constitution and your human rights? Let that child lead the way. That 7-year-old common sense will definitely tell you, break it down for you. I ain't talking about your brain's experience with this world. I'm talking about your subconscious, your mind, dealing with the facts and common sense. Take out the emotions. Take out your past experiences and others' past experiences and what you've seen and what you've heard and all this other great stuff, and bring to the cipher, as my brother Sabir Bey says, bring it to the cipher, and let's discuss. If your intellect can prove a different intellectual perspective, I welcome it. I will not argue with emotional people, irrational people, illogical people. I can't, because those are your emotions. And as far as your emotions are concerned, you are absolutely, unequivocally, inalienable, whatever word you want to throw in there. You are absolutely correct. So who am I to tell you what you feel and what your opinions are wrong? It's what you feel. It's what your opinions are. I can't tell you feeling certain way is wrong. I can't tell you your opinions are wrong. But in relation to law, in relation to factual, scientifically being able to be proven types of information, I can tell you where you should probably look to find more. I want to be careful with the word I use. Intelligent information, proven information. I'm gonna leave this one about this kind of video about talking about Article 16. So this is gonna be Article 16, Part 20a, and because I kind of went on a rant, I didn't realize it was like 6 minutes long, but I'm gonna leave that there, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Feel free to comment, keep them positive. If you're a negative person, I don't know how to deal with you if you're dealing with facts and when you're dealing with emotions. If you're dealing with emotions, I'm gonna listen. I'm gonna let you speak, and I'm gonna be an ear. I got ears to listen, baby. So I'm gonna listen, I'm gonna do just that, but I won't take it personal. And if you got facts and your facts trump my facts, I'm gonna learn from you. I'm gonna research it, but I'm gonna learn from you, and I'm gonna grow. And that's how we're gonna grow together. I can't grow without y'all. So this is the reason why I'm taking this time to be vulnerable and put myself out there. Let's grow together. Be well, live well, stay well. Peace. Love you.